Hare Krishna students. Today we are going to finish our chapter 6, that is Flash. Then we have only 3 or 4 pages left here in this chapter. For completing that, we have to complete the twin animation, the animation effect on our subject, on our text, that we can apply when we can write something text, when we can add some shape or objects. We can also put some animation effects on those text or objects, and then we can apply those animations in Team twinning and shape twinning, motion twinning, all of these are available in Flash. So first we will start from page number 64, importing graphics. That if you want to import some graphic option in your stage, what we have to do? We have to follow these steps. Go to file, in your file menu, then go to import option. From the sub menu appears, then go to import to stage. This will be the 3 step to go to file, then import to stage. You will get the import dialog box. In your book you have a figure that is 6.26, that is import object. This is your import dialog box where you can apply import option and click on that open option. Browse the file name to import, select the file name and click on open. So this will be your file option. Browse the file name to import, select the file name and click on open. So you have to follow these 3 steps to imply or import graphics option in your stage. Next you have animation in Flash. So wherever the images that you have drawn in your stage, the text that you have written in your stage, on those you can apply text or object animation. Everything you can apply animation on those text and object by frame animation and twinned animation. So animation involves a series of still images, usually painted or sketched, displayed in rapid sequence. So animation involves a series of still images, usually painted or sketched, displayed in rapid sequence. Then only it appears to show some movement. Then you can apply some animation effects on painted or sketched picture of your stage. And animation in Flash is created by changing the contents of successive frames. We can make an object move across the stage, increase or decrease its size, fade in or out, change color or shape using animation. Using animation, you can change these thing, that increase or decrease your size of your object or text, and fade out, fade in or fade out, change the color of your text or object, shape of your text and object. You can apply all these changes by using animation. So there are 2 methods for creating an animation in Flash. What are those? First, frame by frame animation, and second, twinned animation. In frame by frame animation, we create an image in every frame. So when you just want to apply frame by frame animation, that means in each frame, you have to draw the image, you have to repeat those text or those objects by frame you have to draw it manually. So this is frame by frame animation. Or in twinned animation, we create the starting and ending keyframe to animate the object. So where we apply keyframe in twinned animation. Twinned animation is that kind of animation where we can apply keyframe on a particular frame, where you can set a keyframe on that particular frame previously, and then you can apply animation effects on those time range of your frame. So twinned animation can be applied previously, where we can fix your frame and apply your animation effect on that particular keyframe. In the twin animation, we create the starting and ending keyframes to animate the object. Flash itself creates the motion effects in between the frames. So, Flash itself creates the motion effects in between the frames. Next, we have tint twinning. So, if you want to write some objects, write some text, then you have to first write the text and apply that particular text as a symbol. Set those particular text as a symbol. Then only you can apply the tint twinning option. So tint twinning is used to change the color of an object. Tint twinning is help you to change the color of your object. Tint effects work only on symbols and cannot be added to the object that are drawn directly on the canvas of the movie. That means that you have directly drawn in your canvas on your stage on that image, you can't apply tint twinning. You have to first make that object, make the text as a symbol. Only in symbol tint twinning can be applied. So tint effects work only on symbols and cannot be added to the object and that are drawn directly on the canvas of the movie. To create a symbol, select insert and then go to new symbol. So to create a symbol, first you go to insert menu from your insert tab. Click on that insert menu. Then from the appearing list, you have to choose new symbol. Then type a name text or for the symbol in the name field in the convert to symbol dialog box. In the convert to symbol dialog box. So type a name text for the symbol in the name. So when you just click on that new symbol option, it will show you a dialog box, convert to symbol dialog box. On that dialog box, there are 2 or 3 fields here. Name field where you have to write the name, that is text. Write the name, that is text for the symbol. So if you write the text, that can be added as a symbol. Name field in the convert to symbol dialog box and then choose graphic option. There are some types are available: movie clip, button and graphic. Choose graphic option in behavior and click OK. Then click on OK. So go to insert, select new symbol, then type in the convert to symbol dialog box, type the name as a symbol and type the text in the name box and then select the type of your object, that is graphic, and then it will convert the symbol, convert the object to a symbol and click on that OK option. Select text tool from your toolbar. From your toolbar, select text tool T in the tool panel. Select text, font and Arial to set the font type. So when you just change your text, you can go to your properties also in the right hand side, or you can also go to text menu from the tab, file tab, home, edit tab, insert tab, text tab. From the text tab, you can also change your modification on your text size, font, color, bold, italic option, font, Arial font or Times New Roman font. You can also change everything. So now first go to insert tab. So here is your insert tab, insert menu, click on that, then click on new symbol. It will show you the new symbol dialog box. Create new symbol dialog box. Here in the name box, you have to write the text, T-E-X-T. That will be the name of your symbol, that is text. Then click the type option. Here movie click is selected. Next go to graphics. You have to select graphic option in type and then click on OK. Next go to text tool option in the tool panel. Here is your text tool T in the tool panel. Click on that. Now move your mouse pointer on the stage. It will show you an blank space where your cursor is blinking, and here you can just start typing. Okay, I am just writing the text that is keeps, that already written in your book, the example of your text symbol as keeps, KIPS, keeps. Now it is very small in size, so you can just apply your changes on your text. So go to text tab, size, style, align, all the things, font enabling, embedding, all the things are available in text tab. Click on that text tab, go to size option, then choose your size and apply on your text. So first, to apply on your text, you have to select the text, then click your mouse pointer and drag your mouse pointer. Here you can see the keeps in now in blue color, that means the text is selected. Now click on text option, or you can also see that in the right hand side in properties panel you have all the things that are available: text size, text color, text Times New Roman, text font, bold, italic, all the things are available in right hand side also. Or you can also change the formatting from text tab. Go to text tab, here is the size, click on that size option and then click on size 72. So now here is your size applied on your text. So this is your text. You can also apply some color effect, change the color, change the shape, change the font. So everything you can change. So this is your text. Now it is in sky green type color, sky blue type color. So here is your fill option in the properties panel. Click on that fill, it will show you the other option. So just select your text and then go to fill color and change the color. It will change the color of your text. Go to fill option, change the color, it will change the color of your text. Now you can see the color is changed. So this is your text, and you can change everything from the right hand side or from the text tab. Now type the text keeps in the work area. We have already typed that. Next, edit that symbol. How can you edit that symbol? Graphic symbol automatically saves in library. So whatever you have already written in your stage, that will be saved in your library. So go to library panel in the right hand side, properties panel, color panel, align panel. Here is also a panel, library panel. So click on that library panel. Here you can see graphics panel, graphics text symbol already saved here. Select the frame 30 in the timeline and press F5. Select the frame 30 in the timeline. So here is your timeline. Select the frame 30. Okay, here is your frame 30. Select the frame 30 in the timeline and press F5. That means here you can add a frame. Pressing F5 means inserting a frame, and pressing F6 means inserting a keyframe. So click on the 30 frame and press F5 from your keyboard. Okay, so this is your frame inserted here. So you can see from 1 to 30, this is a range of frame here. And next go to frame number 10. Here is your frame number 10, and then apply a keyframe. Here is the keyframe option. You can see that in the frame, here is also written here insert keyframe, or just click on that, it will insert a keyframe on that particular frame number 10, or you can also click F6 from your keyboard. F6 from your keyboard. You can also click F6. Here now you can see a keyframe is added in frame number 10. Now you have to do it again in frame number 30. So go to frame number 30 and use a keyframe, insert keyframe on that particular frame option. So repeat this step on frame 30. To add tint effect, select frame 1 and click on text. Okay, so go back to frame 1. This is your frame 1, and then select your text. Click on text. Then you can add some tint color option on your text by frame. You can change that. So in the property inspector, select tint color from the color option list. Position the tint amount bar at 100%. So go to properties, go to frame. Here it will show you color effects in the right hand side. In your frame panel, color effects, here is selected none. So you have to select tint option from the color effect. Select tint option. Now it will show you the tint amount bar. This is your tint amount bar. Now it is in 50%. You have to select it as 100%. So now it is in 100%. Okay, so this is your tint amount bar. You have to set it as 100% and you will get the color map. You will get the color map. Set the colors to red 255. That means you have to change the color as 255 and all the other green, blue will be in 0. So that means it will show you in red color. So red will be in 255. Here is red. You can change the bar to 55 and change the green and blue in 0. Okay. So this is your color red now selected. Okay. Then similarly at tint twinning of keyframe 10. Okay. Go back to frame number 10. Here is your frame number 10 and then click on your text, apply color effect, go to frame, apply color effect, choose tint color option and then apply blue color. Red will be in 0, blue will be 255, green will be 0. Okay. Sorry. Okay, you can also set as green first then blue. Okay, so in frame number 10 you have selected the green color 255 and blue and red is 0. Next you have to apply the same thing once again in frame number 30. Okay, go to frame number 30, select your text, then go to frame panel. In the right hand side properties, under properties panel, go to frame option, select the color effect as tint color. Now it is selected none. Select the color effect tint color and select the color as blue color and everything others will be in 0. Red and green will be 0 and blue is 255. So you have set your color on particular frame, that is frame number 10 and 30. Okay, so you can add this color motion effect, tint coloring option, tint twinning option in your text or symbol. Then you can apply the same thing. Okay, right click on the timeline at any place between frame 1 and frame 10 and select create motion twin option from the drop down menu. Okay, go to frame number 1 to 10 and then click on that. Create motion twin or create motion twin option from the drop down menu. Similarly, right click on the timeline at the place between frame 10 to 30 and choose create motion twin from the drop down menu. Create motion twin. So go to your frame number from 1 to 10 and right click on your frame, and it will show you a menu bar. From that drop down menu you have to select create motion twin. Here is your create motion twin. So click on that create motion twin and click on OK. Next, go to another portion of your frame, that is frame number 10 to 30. Place your mouse pointer anywhere and right click on the frame bar. Then select create motion twin again. Click on OK. It will change your color motion effect or tint twinning effect in your object. Now click on control to control tab or control menu to see your animation effect on your image. So go to control. Here is your control tab. Click on play. You can see in your book it is written that control, then click on test movie, but we have another software. Some features are in quite different, so the features are same, but we have to follow the other steps. We have to follow the other button. So here, if we want to see your animation effects, you have to click on play button in control tab. So click on control tab, it will show you the menu options. Click on play, it will show you. Okay. So now here you can apply. Now in red. Now click on control, play, just see. Okay. So from frame number 1 to 10 it is red. Right. From frame number 1 it is red. Then frame number 10 it is green. Then it is green, and in frame number 30 it will be red. Sorry, it will be blue. So red, middle, all the thing is in middle portion, all the frame is in red color, red color text, and next in 30 frame it will reach blue color. Okay, I will show you again. Go to control, click on play. Red, green, blue. First, for one frame it is red, then it is green, then in 30 frame it will be reaching blue. Okay, so this is your tint twinning effect on your text for changing color. Okay, so this is the first portion. Now, creating a simple text shape twin. So, if you want to change the shape of your text, what you have to do? You can change the shape, you can change the text or object as a shape twin and apply that shape twin option on your text. Okay, so I am selecting another new file. So go to file option, create a new file, and then write the text. Standard, create. I am selecting another stage. Okay, so this is my new stage. Here I have to write the text and change the text color, text size, everything we can change that, and then we will apply the shape of your text. Okay, so with shape twinning, you can convert one shape of an object into another shape in order to create an animation. In shape twinning, you should not convert an object into a symbol. Let us try. Select the text tool T and choose text size 44 from the main menu and select text symbol, text style bold to make the text thick. You can also select the font size and style from properties panel also, or from text tab, text tool also, text tab also, or click on the text color in the properties panel to change the color of your text. The color palette will be displayed and select any color of your choice. Next, type the text on the stage in the first frame and name and main of the main timeline. So go to your stage and write the text in frame number 1, and then select the window align. In the align panel, select the to stage button, click on the align horizontal center button and align vertical center button. Close the align panel. Next, move the pointer at frame number 49 and right click the mouse. Select the insert keyframe option from the drop down menu. From the pop-up menu, select the frame 1 and right click on it. Select the frame 1 and right click on it. Choose break apart option. When you just right click on your frame 1, it will show you the menu. From that menu, you have to choose break apart option. The letters break into separate blocks. Okay, so that later the word that you have written, the text in your stage, that will be separated in blocks, letter by letter. Each letter will be separated. Align. Again, select break apart option to apply break apart in each letter. Note that the text gets converted into shape. So when you apply break apart option twice, 2 times on a particular text, you can change each and every letter as a symbol, as a shape. You can change the shape. So you have to apply break apart option twice, 2 times. Similarly, click on the insert blank keyframe at frame number 24. Then type some new text and then align horizontal center and vertical center. Type some new text and then align horizontal center. And then align vertical center also. Select the text in frame number 24, then select modify break apart twice, break apart 2 times in the text in frame number 1 and frame number 49. You can apply the break apart option in frame number 1 and frame number 49. Click anywhere between frame number 1 and 24 in the timeline. Go to properties panel and select shape from the twin drop down menu. Then click between the frame number 24 and 49 and again select the shape twin from the twin drop down menu and play your animation from control tab. Okay, so now I am typing the letter. Go to text tool. From your toolbar, here is your text tool. Select that. Write something. Okay, first I am writing flash, F-L-A-S-H. This is your text. You can change the text here. So this is your text flash. Now you can apply shape twinning option on this particular object, on this particular text. So you have to make this text as a type the text on the stage and first frame. On the first frame I have written. Next you have to set that as a align as vertical center and also in horizontal center. Select the window, align select the window, then go to align, select the window tab, then go to align, then select your horizontal and vertical. Okay, so click on two stage option, align two stage dial. Here is a box, check that box, then go to align. It will show you the options: align horizontal center, align left edges. Here it is. Next, align horizontal center. Here, click on that. Align horizontal center. Next, click on align vertical center. Okay, so it will be fixed on your stage vertically and horizontally in the middle portion. Okay, click on that. Now, here is your text aligned in vertically and horizontally center position. Okay, close your align panel. Next, go to frame number 49. Okay, so here is your frame number 49. Go to frame number 49. Right click the mouse and select insert keyframe option from the menu. Okay, in frame number 49 you have inserted keyframe. Next, go to frame number 1. Select the frame 1 and right click on it. Okay, go to frame 1. Here is your frame 1. Move your cursor, move your frame here in frame number 1 and right click on it. Move your mouse pointer on the frame bar, on the white frame bar, and right click on it and insert, choose break apart option. Okay, choose break apart. You have to choose break apart option from the modify tab here. Okay, so move your mouse pointer on the frame 1. Here is your mouse pointer, then click on modify tab. It will show you the menu. From that menu, choose break apart option. Okay, now you can see your text is break into letter by letter. Okay, you have applied break apart option on your text. Now you can change your every letter in each position. Okay, so you can change the size, you can change the তারপরে sorry, then go to flash properties here in the right hand side and change the flash written here the text that is in size. Change, you have to change the size. Okay, so select your text and change the size. Size is 12 here, change it, or you can also change that from text tab. Go to size option and select your size 48. Okay, so this is your text, no need to change. Okay, next you have to apply break apart option. Okay, so select your text and go to frame number 1 and apply break apart from modify. Okay, here is your break apart. So now you can see your letter is so you can see that the each letter is separated here. You can also apply the break apart option once again. Then you can also change the shape of your each letter. Okay, so I am also using the same thing once again. Go to modify and then click on break apart once again. Okay, so now you can see that each and every letter you can each and every letter you can change. So here is your letter. Click on each letter and you can change the position, you can change the now you can see that you have to apply the break apart option twice. Here is your break apart now already applied twice. Now you can move your mouse pointer in each letter and change the position of your letter. When it will be in a box, now you can drag your mouse pointer and change the position. Okay, so now you can see that each and every letter is separated. You can change the shape and you can change the position. Now I am going to change the shape of letter. Okay, so here you can see that here is a curved line here. Along with your mouse pointer, here is your curved line. Can you see that? Under the arrow symbol, there is a curved line. So this is your curved line that will help you to change the shape. Okay, so move your mouse pointer, drag it. When it will show you the curved line, then you can put some changes on your text. Okay, so here is your mouse pointer. Apply curve effect or any other effect in your text. So this is your text changed shape and change position using break apart option. Now you can apply the same thing. Okay, so from your book you have to use the insert blank keyframe at frame number 24. Go to frame number 24. Here it is 24 and insert blank keyframe. Insert keyframe, insert blank keyframe. Here is the point. Click on that insert blank keyframe. Now you can see that in this position the frame is blank. When your frame will go to that frame number 24, it will be blank. Next, type some new text on that and then apply the same thing apply horizontal center and vertical center align option. Okay, so in this frame I am going to use the another thing, that is shape. I am going to use as a block here. Okay, so now you can see that in this frame that is applied a new shape, and now we can apply the same thing. Then go to frame number. Here I am adding some other effect. Okay, go to frame number 30 and use a blank frame. Next, write some other text here. Write some other text, that is welcome. Okay, this is your new text. Apply align effect. Go to window, go to align, then go to window, go to align. From the right hand panel you have to choose the align horizontal and align vertical. Okay, so now your text is in center of your stage. Next, you can add some shape twinning on your next text, that is welcome. You can also apply something. Okay, so select your text and go to modify option and use break apart. Okay, next each and every letter will be separated. Then also select your whole text and apply break apart option once again to apply the shape of shape changes option. So move your mouse pointer in each letter and change the position. Change the position according to your choice. Okay, so now this is your text. You can also use curve option on your text. That means your text is break apart. Okay, so this is your text. Applying break apart option on that. Now select the text in frame number 24 and then select modify or break apart twice. Break apart 2 times on the text in the frame 1 and frame 49. Okay, go back to 49 and apply break apart. Okay. Click anywhere in between frame number 1 and 24. 1 and 24. Here is your text 1 and 24. Next, go to properties panel and select shift from the twin drop down menu. Okay, go to properties panel, go to shape from the twin drop down menu. Okay, so now you have to apply shape twin option. So move your mouse pointer from 1 to 24 anywhere, then apply shape twin option. Right click from your mouse on the frame bar and apply create shape twin. Here is the option create shape twin option. Click on that and also apply here in the frame that is written here welcome. Right click from your bar from your frame bar and then also apply create shape twin option again. Okay, so this is your text. Okay, so in that particular frame number 40 I have applied a blank frame and then I have drawn this shape. Now I will apply the uh, twinning option from the frame bar. So right click from your frame bar and apply shape twin option, create shape twin option on your inserted text, and now you can see that first applied in frame number 1 to 24 and then applied in frame number 30 to 40. Now you can apply now you can see your animation by clicking on control panel and play. Okay, so go to frame number 1 and then see what happened. Here is your frame number 1. Move your cursor. It will show you the twinning option. Sorry, shape twinning option. It will change your shape to a bar and it will show you the another text. You can also change the color, everything. So this is called shape twinning option. Here is your text twin, shape twin. Go to a shape normal, then next text, apply another time shape twin option, go to a block. In number frame 50 we have another written text that is flash. So this is your shape twinning option. Okay, you can also apply it, play it from control. Okay, so this is your text shape twin option. So practice this thing. If you have the trial version of your flash in your laptop or desktop, practice all the thing or read the chapter very carefully again and again, and also read the box in the right hand side where you have the small image for small boxes where you have the information about some shortcut key or about some quick view options. So read the box and read the chapter carefully. Hare Krishna, thank you.